Welcome back. This is part 4 now, I think. So we're on to the exhaust. Now this is going to be a little bit tricky. Since it's a 2-stroke engine, we can't have the same mount where it was in the back because the expansion tank actually needs to be right after the engine. This is the expansion tank that came with the engine. It's a little crusty, but it's intact. We're going to try and mount this. The problem is, in the current configuration, there's no way it's going to be able to go on. So that means we're going to have to do some cutting. Yep, we're going to have to do some exhaust welding too. So that's fun. Don't have a TIG welder. We're going to try it with a MIG. Not the best idea, but you got to do what you got to do. So this is going to end up looking something like that, but I'm just going to start by cutting some pieces off of this and then mocking it up and seeing what we can create. So here goes nothing. I'm just tacking them on right now to mock up the exhaust.
I got big bucks.
I think that's pretty good. Kind of like that. It's not too close to our arm while we're shifting. I'm gonna tack that. This is where you gotta finesse it.
Might throw some D's on it, told her, come and get with a man like me. Got the city on fire and my wrists on freeze. Got a booty that I just might squeeze. So she want good dick, keep it like say please. Wrist glisten like a pool in the morning. My friends like porn, that's why we like touring. In my OG Jordan 3s, bitch, I feel like Mike Jordan. Drop a 40 when I'm scoring, got the juice like an orange, yeah, I'm just getting flows off. Shorty got her little nails and her toes gloss. Now she way up at my crib with her clothes off. We get the party cracking every time this goes off. I got big bucks, more than a G, honest. Usually I'm modest, right now I'm being.
Huh?
I don't really do the gram cause I don't like shit. Cute face, skinny waist, yeah, type shit. I'm a beast, but I'm never with a hype bitch. Blow a bubble, 10 hoes and they all 10s.
We did it, guys! Okay, so don't look at the welds. If you don't look at the welds, we managed to bend it in a certain way that it clears the fender, clears the engine. It's not as high anymore. It comes right out the back. We haven't figured out the muffler.
I think we're gonna do like that. So we'll get custom pipe 90 here and run it kind of on an angle like that and build off this one for a mount.
Now that we have it all mocked up and welded, we're gonna use this temporary muffler, and I think we're gonna start it up. Cool.
Why are you putting earplugs in, you pussies? It's a fucking 1-cylinder.
Because I like my hearing when I turn 50.
You know what, Hugh? You have a good. And there's a muffler on it.
It doesn't matter, guys. It's still losing.
Last time it fucking hurt.
Honestly.
Looking like a true engineer.
Whatever.
It's also -30, so.
Yeah,
Dude, the clutch worked!
I know, I told you it would probably work when it's running.
That's great. Maybe because it's new. It looked pretty
I don't
nice.
like how it didn't idle, but.
Okay, so we're back. Today we're finishing the expansion tank mounts. You're gonna work on
The routing for the exhaust hoses for the 9th time.
Huh?
No, not the exhaust hoses. The exhaust hoses. Too much fuel, gas filled in the shop. What are you actually working on?
I'm working on the radiator hose lines, routing, and I've just got these brass fittings because we got 90s now, so it's all clean and tacky.
Yeah.
So.
She's at the field on fire, just cutting across your pasture. She'll have for it all and leave right after. Got a long way to go. You know the Wild West gets cold. Yeah, the Wild West gets cold. Tell me how it's always freezing and sunny. All these VVs cost money. Now when they see me, it's funny, they act up. I've been in the scene going dumb.
Is this the paint booth?
Yeah, this is actually in everything. Fab shop, paint, automotive, heavy duty, blacksmith.
No veins, gold chain, no stylist. I'm wildin' and my money piling. Yeah, I'm a long way from home. Got a long way to go. You know the Wild West gets cold. Get the car, hit the gas, then I go. Play the cards, get the cash, never fold.
Here's the mount we did. One of the expansion tank mounts. It took me a bit, but got this bend here. We just welded on the actual part where it mounts to the expansion tank right here. Actually pretty proud of these ones. The upper mount for the expansion tank is done. Oh, it's so hard to clean. Alright, the upper mount for the expansion tank is done. Added these rubber washers for vibration, and as you can see, it's mounted there, so it's pretty solid. Happy with that. The welds actually turned out pretty decent. Now James is going to work on
The lower mount.
In the ghost, shorty telling me to slow down. She from the west, but I'm hoping that she goes out. I wear a coat, even when I'm out in SoCal. Rollie stay on freeze, but you know I got degrees. I'm a long way from home. Got a long way to
Alright guys, James welded up the lower mount for the expansion tank. Looks pretty good, and it should be good. Then we just have to do the muffler. We got the paint shop set up. Custom. And I broke that, which is for the clutch cable. And that's pretty bad, so that's really awesome. I'm really happy I did that, so I have to fix that next time with JV Weld. I'm pretty cheesed about breaking that thing though, holy.
Okay, I got the bumper installed so I can mock up the exhaust and finish this little 90 here, and then we're gonna finish up some other little things.
You know the Wild West gets cold. Get the car, hit the gas, then I go. Play the
Hey, I'm gonna use the mill now. We're gonna see this piece right here. We're gonna mill that out with our CNC. Fuck, this thing's not working. Gonna go to the auto mill. Oh.
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, Daddy!
Look at that! Time to weld her up, baby! Nice job, buddy, nice. Looks mint. Woo! Finished product right here. Here's what Jan just finished welding up.
Oh, not too closely. Don't have a tape welding.
That's sick. That looks pretty good. It's looking more and more like a go-kart now. Let's go, baby. Almost done. It's just a few little things. Fuel, gotta finish the clutch again because that messed up. This thing looks scary.